What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another reaction video for you guys. Since so many of you liked my reaction video to Heartbeat's Spark on Everything featuring Miles J, I decided to do another reaction video to another one of her videos. And this one is called Ratchet, Homos, and Gay. What? Yes, child. Let's see what this is all about. Um, so somebody in the kitchen with some seasoned salt in the microwave. Oh snap, it's Miss Chalet. What the hell is this big ass bowl? Lord, she got a big ass bowl of noodles. Who running? All this damn seasoning. She just said that. Why he running? Oh, she tear them noodles up.
Hey girl, nothing. I'm about to sit down and watch me some Love and Hip Hop. Can you believe Rashida? For her Mary J. Blige ass. It's like, bitch, you was old. You've done everything inside your career, bitch. Sit your ass down.
Bitch, you was old. Yo, Mary J. Blige looking ass.
Bitch, what? Bitch, what? So,
In
anyway.
two
Girl, you
ways.
know you listen to me. Girl, let me call you right back, okay? My brother over here hollering and shit. Bye-bye. The fuck you want, Demonte? He's out there. Oh, you remember that Julio motherfucker I was writing you about?
That Julio motherfucker I was writing you about.
Shower buddy?
Yo, shower buddy. Uh-oh. Hola.
She happy. Opens up the door, I fucking missed your eyes.
Bobby, open up the door, fucking miss your eyes.
I don't know, bitch. Show me your fucking face. That ought to scare the shit out of him. Okay, alright, my bad. We family.
Did he just say that shit to her? You don't talk to Miss Chalet like that, boo boo.
All these thug motherfuckers want to act all hard, but as soon as they boo come into the picture, y'all be getting soft.
Tell them Miss Chalet. Tell them they be getting soft.
Bitch be coming out all blurry and shit. You so damn ratchet, the camera don't even want to focus on your ass. Motion blurred, bitch. Now get out.
No.
You're in there, Bobby. I can hear your
That was Ratchet. That wasn't even called out.
What the fuck you go all feminine on me? Hell no, motherfucker. That's my twin right there. Hey, boo. Wow.
Hey, boo.
I told you had a sister. Muy bonita, mami. That animal print is muy, muy caliente.
Okay.
I don't know about you, but I kind of like the motherfucker. Bitch, you better do a cartwheel. He ain't nobody.
Bitch, you better do a cartwheel.
Why can't you handle him, your damn self? I play the Slender game when I got the Slender Man right here to scare bitches off. See, why you gotta disrespect me when this little Mexican man standing here right in front of us? I'm Colombian. Yes, not all Spanish speakers.
Bitch, this little bag.
Everybody know when they in Cali, they Mexican, and when they in Florida, they Cuban. Disrespect. Hola, okay. I'm going to pretend like I didn't hear that. Now, how about you guys let a sexy bitch shine? Sorry, boo. My bro had wanted me to tell you.
Sorry, boo.
Now, and you got to go home. And to think I was actually starting to like you, fucking perra. Wait a minute. Hold up. You calling bitches names, bitch?
Oh, she just like slinging a wig or the
Because you obviously don't know nothing about this taco. Oh, you
About your taco?
You need to put your arms down because I think I just found out what the fuck your taco smells like. Oh, you clown.
Oh, they go in.
Crumble soup on your fucking
Crumbles? Crumble soup?
Gambur soup. I use meal. You could at least pronounce your fucking threats right. Stupid. Well, I guess this shit ain't so fucking stupid.
Oh, she put a gun on them hoes. Oh no. All types of hood up in this bitch.
Today on World Store, that slits motherfucking Chuco's throat is
damn. Bad bitch slits motherfucking Chuco's throat.
I thought we were supposed to share the same brain. Nah, she been dumb as fuck since birth. We was in the womb together. I was the first.
Nah, she been dumb as fuck since birth. Since birth, nigga.
Get your ass out of here.
Get your ass out of here. I don't know what the fuck she just said. Burrito, burrito, burrito.
Chewbacca that you stole all of his pubic hair.
Not tell Chewbacca you stole all the pubic hair.
I know you can still hear me. You fucked up Raven Simone.
Not you fucked up Raven Simone.
Birthday cake, cabrona. I'm telling Mama you took the good. But Mama had always said if it fits in your tits, then you can cap a bitch.
Damn, I like that right there, bitch. Mama had always said if it fits in your tits, you can cap a bitch. What? Okay, I love that right now. We capping bitches around here.
Get away from my damn noodles. What the fuck wrong with you?
Get away from my noodles. What the fuck wrong with you?
Don't call me. This isn't over, puta.
Tell the bate to call me. This isn't over, puta.
How the fuck do you people keep getting inside of my house?
Ooh, how did you get in your house, Heart? I need to know. But yes, y'all, I just got finished watching Ratchet, Homos, and game what? By Heartbeat. If y'all ain't seen the video, you're missing out. Go check that out. Deuces.